Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while, I know. Sorry I haven't vlogged in a couple days. Work has been really crazy. Been getting out really late every weekend for like the last 3 weekends. And I was just really tired. And days that I was off, one of those days I was going to the dentist. And it was just a lot going on, and I just needed to just step back, and the kids were sick and we just wanted to relax. And yeah, but now we're back to vlogging. And yeah, it is Monday, March 6th. Me and Melody are on our way to Target. We are gonna get some household items. I need like shampoo, toothpaste, and some other stuff. So we're gonna go to Target right now, and we'll take you guys along with us and try to vlog the rest of the day. Hi Choo Choo, where are we going?
To the store.
We're going to the store. Wee. Come on.
It's the national.
I am finding some great Easter basket stuff for the kids, even for our generation dolls. Found these cute basket for the American Girl dolls. Do you like it? Yeah. These are damaged so far. Got Joshua some shoes. Got a bunch of clothes for myself. Found these cool Easter eggs. Don't know if I'm getting it though. Hey guys, so we are home now, and I thought I would show you guys a little haul of what we got. She's eating. She just woke up. She actually slept on the cart on her way to check out at Target. But yes, so here is what we got at Target. I got some Method dish soap. I really like these. We got some Head and Shoulders. I bought 2 because I had a $4 coupon off of 2. And I got the Aussie conditioner because we have the shampoo, but we're running out of the conditioner. I got this for Melody. 2 flushable wipes. I got a detangler for Alexia. We got this for the kids. Some mousse just to have on hand. I needed a new toothbrush, so I got this one. Then the kids need a new toothpaste, and I got them a Trolls one because, they're obsessed. And I bought this nice Sally Hansen's nail color because I kind of want to do my nail, and I'm obsessed with this color. So, yeah, it is, what is this? Big teal, if you guys are wondering what it is. I'm going to use that. I'm not going to show you guys everything that we got. I know most of it that I got was a lot of Easter stuff, but because some of the Easter stuff is for the kids' Easter basket, I'm going to do that for another video. But I bought these 3 big packs of Easter eggs for their little Easter hunt. We also got these nice candy-filled Trolls, again, theme Easter eggs that I'm going to put in their baskets. Got a bunch of these little, I don't know what they're called, grass or something, Easter grass, to put in their little basket. I got Joshua new shoes, the ones that don't tie, because he has a hard time trying to tie his shoes. So I got him these nice little ones. Target one. It was only $11, so I like that. The girls have their own Easter basket that I've been using for the last couple of years. Joshua didn't have one, and I found this at Target, and I thought it was really cute and boyish, so I got that for Joshua for Easter. And then these 2 little baskets, very cute. These are actually going to be for our generation dolls. We're going to be doing a video on what we put in their Easter baskets, because they're going to get an Easter basket as well. And then over here, I just bought myself some clothes because I don't have a lot of clothes. So I bought this nice, just kind of plain shirt. It's more magenta, but it looks kind of red on camera. Just bought this shirt. And then I bought this little plaid shirt. Long sleeve plaid shirt. I don't know if you guys could see that, but really bad at this angle. But yeah, bought that. I love the color of that. A plain t-shirt, just because it's comfy. Plain t-shirt. And then I also bought this beautiful pink cardigans because I love cardigans and I love this color. It's like so gorgeous. And yeah, so that's all I bought at Target. It is almost time to go pick up the kids. I usually leave the house around 3:40 to go pick them up. And yeah, so it is 3:55 right now, and I am outside of the kids' school ready to pick them up. I also wanted to say today is one of my high school's friends' birthday. If you are watching, happy birthday, Lena. I am probably going to text you in a little bit, but just wanted to give you a little shout out in this video since it is your birthday. I know she's on vacation right now, so she's not even in town, but yeah, hopefully we could do dinner really soon. So I'm gonna go get the kids now. I'm gonna go wait outside of his door, and we'll vlog when we get home. You got a 100 and what?
On my first notebook, I got 100, and my fifth pen, I got 100!
So I will show you guys my kitchen. So we moved the table over here. Well, I'll probably get a better angle over here. So this is our new refrigerator.
Hi!
Oh. Hi. Why is your shirt unbuttoned? Oh my god. So this is our new fridge.
And that Daddy and Robot.
It's super packed, but that's all the compartments and the middles, more compartments on the side, and close it.
Then you got new
and
water.
then we got the freezer.
There's ice cream.
No ice cream right now. And then we got our table right here. And then we added these bookshelves over here to make it more to make it more organized. So it looks great. There you go. Love it. I'm heating the kids up some hot dog soup right now because we made some yesterday so they could eat it right now before dinner. What are you doing? Are you dancing? Hot dog soup?
Yeah.
Hot dog soup? Is it good?
I asked her what bitch one was eating. The other one is not eating because her feet are turning.
Alex.
I can't do this anymore. I only can do the 1 feet.
She could walk with 1 feet.
Yeah.
Alexia's feet hurt, so she's taking a nappy time.
Jay got to take a nap all the time. Now. Jay got to stay here now.
Finish eating, baby. Finish eating.
I need to
Just making some chicken with flour on it and salt, pepper. Then we're going to eat it with asparagus and some mashed potatoes. Something simple tonight. Dinner. Asparagus cooking. Super seasoned, just how I like it. I seasoned it with some Mrs. Dash, which is this right here. My all-time favorite, Mrs. Dash. Garlic and herb. I also have this chicken one, tomato basil, Southwest Chipotle, onion and herb, and regular table blend. Obsessed. Kids are eating yogurt. And dancing. Yogurt? Yes. And of course, watching the Disney Channel.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you are. Hello, kids.
Hello, look at the iPad.
Welcome to our video.
I was it.
Okay, it is almost 9 o'clock and we are gonna go to bed soon.
Thanks for watching.
Say thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next vlog.
Thanks for watching.
Say good night.